AP Chemistry, this is the last page, the last video of your bonding notes, and it's all a review. So a quick go-to cheat sheet for you. So chemical bonds are forces of attraction that are holding those atoms together in a molecule. So remember that. And ionic compounds, their characteristics, they are normally between a metal and a non-metal, or a positive charge and a negative charge. The electronegativity difference is greater than 1.67. They have strong electrostatic attractions. Their formulas are going to be simplest whole number ratios, so your empirical formulas like sodium chloride or magnesium chloride are the ones that your notes give you. They're going to be crystalline solids at room temperature. They are forming crystal lattice structures, and there's a figure to remind you what that looks like. They have high melting points. They're good conductors of heat and electricity when they are molten or dissolved. When they have free moving ions, they're going to be good conductors of heat and electricity. Covalent bonds are going to be between nonmetals, electronegativity difference of less than 1.67. Covalent bonds can be polar if the electronegativity difference is between 0.4 and 1.67. That's your standard. They have a molecular formula, so some of them could be empirical, like carbon dioxide, but a lot of them are not, like C6H12O6. Substances that may exist in any state of matter, so they're going to be solids, liquids, and gases at room temperature, so not a standard. They do have low melting points, and they are not good conductors of heat and electricity. Then you have metallic bonds, which we haven't really talked about. That's from first year. Metallic bonds are going to be involving only metals. They have a sea of electrons that kind of flow around, surrounding a positively charged metal center. An attraction between metal ions and surrounding electrons, the formulas written are just going to be like just magnesium, or just lead, or just iron. They are solids with a crystalline structure at room temperature, and they have a range of melting points, typically very high, but it depends on the number of valence electrons, and they are excellent conductors of heat and electricity because they have all those free moving electrons. So that's kind of a summary of bonds. And whenever you're working AP problems, remember to draw the Lewis structures. That's going to help tell you resonance. It's going to tell you your formal charge if you need to calculate it. It's going to tell you if there's a coordinate covalent bond, all of those things. So just draw it. It tells you the shape. It tells you all of it. Just draw it, save yourself the headache, and draw it. And that wraps up these notes. And so we will have another Zoom meeting over them, but I'll go ahead and start videos for the next set of notes.